How to make your Instagram bio longer than 150 characters. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you add a longer bio on Instagram more than 150 characters. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Instagram app with your account. After you open Instagram, you'll get this type of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, at the top right, tap on three lines. From settings and activity, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option account type and tools. From the section, tap on switch to professional account. And from here, tap on next. From the section, tap on switch to professional account. And from here, choose your category type for creator or business. After you choose one, you'll have to just tap on next. And from the section, you'll have to just set up your professional account, like you'll have to just complete all of these 7 steps from here. After you complete your profile, it will automatically set up the professional account on Instagram. After you switch to a professional account, Instagram will provide you more space to share extra information, but not directly in the main bio, like which still has 150 character limit, but you can add any category label which contains your name, example digital creator or public figure, contact option like your email, phone number or business address, action buttons for the optionals like for business, book now, reserve or get ticket. You can also add 5 links on your bio, and that's it. These are the settings, like you can try to get more space on your Instagram account. If this video was helpful, give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.